Howdy out there, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles back here from beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Got a nice machine for you today. Just took this one in and thought I'd give you guys a quick video. This is a 2015 Polaris Sportsman 570 EFI. Give you a quick walk around here. The machine's got on-demand four-wheel drive. Got a nice gun rack on it there for you hunters. Equipped with a winch. Good looking rubber on it. Do a walk around here. Plastic's completely clean on this. Nice solid machine here. Give you a shot of the dash. We got about 340 miles or so on it. Give you a good close up here and we'll start it up and see what she sounds like. There we go. Nice machine. Y'all come on down here to Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky and check this machine and all of our others out. Or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. That lets us know you're liking our videos and we'll try to get more out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.